A certain plumber charges $92 for each job completed in 4 hours or less, okay? And $23 for each job completed in more than 4 hours. If it took the plumber a total of 7 hours to complete two separate jobs, so there are two separate jobs, what's the total amount charged by the plumber for those two jobs? The biggest takeaway from the first statement is that one job could still mean, one job, if you worked 1 hour, he could still make $92. If he worked 2 hours, he could still make 92. If he worked 3, only when he works more than 4 hours, he makes really a multiple of 24. So again, this is just basic logic, but let's move on and really looking at the statements. Statement 1, the plumber charged $92 for one of the two jobs. Well, this isn't really helpful because ultimately he could have worked 4 hours, whereby he would be charged $92, and the remaining one he could have run 3 hours and still be charged 92. Alternatively, he could have gotten one job for $92, and since he worked for 7 hours, 6 hours, and he would have made a different sum. And I do apologize. This number should be, since he worked for 3 hours, $92. This would be 24 times 6, which would be 48 times 3, would be 424, 144. Okay, it would be 144. Different sums. This statement is not sufficient. Statement 1 is not sufficient for this reason. The plumber charged $138 for one of these two jobs. Okay, so 138 is a multiple of should be a multiple of 23. That is it's not 10, 7, 7, 8, 6. Oh, that's 6. Yep, it's 6. So he worked 6 hours for one job. There means if he worked 6 hours here and charged $138, then we know for a fact he charged $92 because he worked for 1 hour for the other job. So we definitely know, we can definitely solve this question by just looking at statement 2. The answer is going to be B.